Hello and good evening. Just past evening, just afternoon right now. And I made myself some decaf coffee and I added a little bit of milk to it and a little bit of butter. I think they call that bulletproof coffee. I think that's somehow they make it that way. But yeah, just going to do some doodling and I've got the day off, so I'm going to have more time to do some drawing today. And then maybe later on, thinking about going out somewhere or something. I've been inside for quite a while and just drawing, working on things, and I spent the past 2 days just cleaning my whole apartment, even wiping down all the walls and cleaning as much as I possibly can. But other than that, I'm doing okay, and just doodling. Not really much of anything else. Nothing really too exciting or different than usual. But I did rearrange some of the area and the whole art room here, and I mean a little bit of stuff, not a whole lot. I just put the other table that I have over there, and an umbrella light, and the two little extendable arms that I use for either a microphone or a camera. And then I cleaned all my tables and everything off, and that's really just about it. But yeah, so I've got a lot of drawings to do, and I was asked about doing more tutorials for drawings, and I will be working on that. So let's go ahead and finish drinking this up, and then get started on some doodling and see what we can make. So I'm definitely a bit of a perfectionist. While I was trying to make this video, I was thinking about how I need to edit the audio so that it sounds better for the video. Now I'm actually recording this directly into my editing software that I use for editing my videos, rather than recording into Audacity and then importing it, because what I usually do is I record with Audacity, and then after I've recorded into Audacity, then I edit all the audio, and then I save that as a WAV file. I then import that into my video editor, and then after that, I edit that in the video editor and then add it in with the video. But the way I'm doing it now is a lot more efficient and it's quicker. So let me know how this sounds compared to how the audio was before in other videos. Let me know if it's too quiet, too loud, if there's too much background noise or anything else. But as you can see here, I'm drawing with my Staedtler Isograph 0.35. This is a technical pen, and these have steel tipped nibs, and this one is the same size as the Rotring 0.35 that I use, and both of the line widths on them are pretty much exactly the same. I've tested them. Maybe I can make a video on testing that and show you. It'll probably be like a 1-minute video, but I like that with this one. Let me actually go get the pen real quick. One moment. I placed it different location, but this one compared to my Rotring Isograph, I think it has better grip on it. And it's a tiny bit shorter overall, and as far as weight goes, it actually feels like it's a tiny bit heavier, maybe, just barely. And the Staedtler Isograph is blue. It's like a really dark blue. It's almost got a hint of purple in it, or maybe I'm just seeing things, but the Rotring Isograph is brown, has a red ring at the end of it, which I'm pretty sure that In German, Rotring stands for red ring, and that's what is at the end of the pen. And the Staedtler Marsmatic is blue and yellow. My .35 Rotring is yellow, but it's more of a goldish yellow, whereas the Marsmatic is like a neon or a, I don't know, maybe a sunflower yellow at the top of it in the back. But I've been drawing with the Staedtler Marsmatic. I almost said Staedtler Fineliner. I do have a bunch of those. I did have a couple of them that did dry up, so I have to try and see if I can get those ones to work. But I like the grip on this one more than the Rotring. But it kind of depends. Sometimes the grip on the Rotring, I like it a little bit more. It does have the, what is it, 1, 2, the 3 grooves in it. My thumb sets in there. But this one's got little bumps all the way around it. And when I'm holding it while I'm drawing, I've got a better grip. But it just depends. I've seen people, most of everybody, they always draw with the cap of the pen on the back of it. But I always draw without that because the little metal clip gets in the way and the extra weight in the end, I feel like it didn't give me as good of hand control. And so I prefer drawing without the cap on the end of the pen. Just a personal preference. I even do that with pens that I have at work. I actually get rid of the caps at the end of it, and I just have the pen setting up right. You always want your pens, like if you have ballpoint pens or markers or anything setting in a cup, if you can't lay them flat, always have the top of the pen where the tip is facing up. If you have it facing down, then all the ink will flow to the bottom of it and it'll start leaking everywhere. And that's why if you have ballpoint pens sitting that way, they're going to be making a mess. And if you ever do put a ballpoint pen or any pen in your pocket, remember to do the same thing. Always have the tip of the pen facing upwards, never downwards, because then it can leak. And then your jeans are going to be stained in all kinds of colors. But right now, my headphones, I had to charge them. I only charged them for maybe like 10 minutes earlier. And they have a battery life of like 70 or 80 hours or something. They're these over-ear, noise-canceling, high-definition type of like headphones. And I charged them for 10 minutes and then it says fully charged. And so I had them on for an hour and then it went to low battery. So it'll say that it's fully charged even though it's actually not. Don't know why it does that, but I'll fully charge them. It takes maybe, I don't know, like an hour. I never go more than an hour and a half. It pretty much has these little blue lights on the side that tells me when it's fully charged. I've had them plugged in for about maybe half an hour and they're over halfway charged, so they don't have much longer to go. But I just use them while I'm drawing. I just listen to music or a podcast or anything else. And I use them to listen to stuff on my computer, and then I just unplug them and I use them connect to my phone through Bluetooth on it, and I can just listen to music and everything else without having to have a cord in the way while I'm drawing, which can be a bit annoying and frustrating when I'm trying to focus on my drawing and I've got this cord constantly in my way. And yeah, I'm glad that I got these. I used to just have these cheap little, I think they were maybe $25, $30 headphones that plugged into my speakers, and they were really cheap. When I would edit audio, I was like, why does this sound so low quality? Even though I've got this high quality microphone. It was just my headphones. Now that I've got these, I can hear the quality of the sound that I'm recording better. And so now I get a better idea of what things actually sound like. And I went back and listened to some of my old videos, and the audio, I was like, wow, this this doesn't sound right. And now I hear all the little imperfections and noise in the background, and then I start wanting to try to make everything perfect. But sometimes I need to just let things be and just get more work done. Focus more on trying to get drawings and doodles. And I know I've been recording a lot with my phone, but I will be doing some time lapses as well. It's just I've been doing this because I've been short on time. I've been busy with work and other stuff. So I will be doing more time-lapse recordings and setting up my DSLR camcorder for that. Maybe I'll combine a little bit of both. Use my DSLR for time-lapse, then also use my phone to record video, as you can see here. And I like recording this way because it's convenient and faster, and I can focus on the drawing rather than spending so much time trying to edit the video and cut out all the parts to where I might have stopped for a few minutes or went up to get something to eat. It's just more convenient and I can get more doodling worked on. But I'm wanting to go ahead and probably get something to eat and start on another drawing. But go ahead and look at the links below. I do have places where you can buy some of my prints and artwork. So check that out. Give this a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. So have fun doodling, and you all have a great day, and stay warm out there. I will see you all later.